set. Racing just is started with Batang Sampaloc. Break quickly restart. Rushing upon the outside. Now is Palanan. Then next online is Pocket Money. Then followed now by Storm Goddess. Then next online all the time while Desert Sarah is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Palanan enjoying a 4 lengths lead, and in second is Batang Sampaloc. Racing in third now is number 6 Pocket Money. Then next online is All the Time. Running by the rail comes a Storm Goddess, while the Searcher is still in last. And at the fourth turn, we have Palanan enjoying a 8 lengths lead. And in second is Batang Sampaloc trying to get closer. Now in third is Pocket Money. Then comes All the Time. And they are now entering the home stretch. Palanan now he strides away, he leads by about 10 lengths, and in second is Pocket Money. Batang Sampaloc in between horses now is All the Time. Last 100 meters we have Palanan, and finally from start to finish it's Palanan. Second, Pocket Money, Desert Star, then comes All the Time, Batang Sampaloc, and Storm Goddess.
Okay, it's the top choice, Palana, numero 3. Manayong nanalo. Pinakita yung kanyang preba over the competitors. 3-6.